Hey, sorry, I know it's loud in here, but my dad has some vehicles started warming up in the shop. Oh, sorry, what's that, dude? So I got my new control panel. So let's get it all plugged in and see if this bad boy is the problem. After this, if this isn't it, then I have no idea what it could be. So we'll start her up.
Waiting for pairing. Pair.
Oh. This control panel is a little bit different than mine, but this isn't the issue. I don't think my dad knows I'm in here even. All right, well, it's still not working, so looks like I'll be making a car appointment.